Hi, everyone. My name is David, and today I wanted to introduce myself and my proposal to the SingularityNet AI Project Catalyst. I myself am a developer. In the past years, I've been studying Python. Most recently, I've been getting into blockchain development, getting into Solidity, which led me to a recent hackathon, the Chainlink Hackathon. I had a blast doing that, learned a lot, got to meet a lot of people. And I thought, what a great idea this would be if we could bring that same energy, collaboration, and creation to SingularityNet to create artificial intelligence projects of any sort. Taking a step back, this is one issue that I have with SingularityNet. A lot of the AI that I see, I mean, there's a limited amount, and many that I don't feel are applicable to me or maybe to many industries. So I'm trying to solve that. How can we create more? And the idea is to gather problems and creators together. What would people use these algorithms for? And just like with the Chainlink Hackathon, like there were just so many incredible ideas that were created, things that I would never think of. So I want to bring that energy to SingularityNet, create a hackathon, bring people in, and in the creation of this hackathon, make tutorials, information, documentation that teaches people how to develop. And that is basically the gist of it. So what I'm proposing is that, and the team is really, I'm very open on it. For me, I like providing the idea. I do software development. I can create a team to do the website, but I'm not an AI developer. I wouldn't do the videos. And really, I'm open for anyone to take any part of this. So I would be managing it or even passing it down to anyone else. My initial energy that I'm giving is to create the idea and then fill in as needed, whether it's to create the team or to manage this hackathon or not. Please let me know if you have any questions, any interesting ideas. I'd love to hear from you and about these ideas. Thank you.